Hello to everyone. In this particular video, I am going to show you how to check whether a number is a perfect square or not. Now, I am writing this code in a mobile platform. It's not the conventional BlueJ environment because the code matters, not the environment. So the code remains the same in whichever environment you write. So let us begin with, I'll just include uh, the package java.util. I declare the scanner class. I'll take a variable n which I'll take as input. I'll put a message system.out.println. Just take the input, enter the number, the number is n is equal to sc dot next int. Next we are going to, first thing that we are going to do is find the square root of it. So I'll take it as double. So double a is equal to math dot sqrt and n. So if it is a perfect square, suppose if it is 49, so its square root will be 7.0, but if it is more than 49 less than 64, it will be 7 point something. So what I'll do is I'll first convert this value into its corresponding integer, that is I'll do casting. So int b is equal to I'll do implicit casting, int so a stores the square root of the number and b stores the integer form of the number, that is excluding the decimal point. Now what I'll do is difference I'll find out. So double c is equal to b minus c or a minus b. So if it was a perfect square, a and b both would be same, but if it is not a perfect square, a would be in decimal, b would be in integer. So I'll find out the difference, that is the difference I've already found out, and if this difference is equal to 0, that is c is equal to 0, then we can say that it is a perfect square. Else we can say it is not a perfect square. It is not a perfect square. So that's it in this particular code. I'll just go through it once. I have taken n as input. So I'll just try to execute this. If there are any syntax error, it will show up. enter the number. It is showing error in that particular line. Okay, println, the spelling I have written wrong, double R I have given, so that was a syntax error that was coming up. Okay, so it is showing it is executing now. The terminal window has come up, so I'll enter 49. It is showing it is a perfect square. I'll execute once more. Say I enter 52. It is not a perfect square. So we can see this program is working perfectly to check whether a number is a perfect square or not. That's it in this particular video. Thank you for watching.